Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about quadratic equation. This is chapter number 4 of grade 10. So let's get started. So first I would like to tell you the standard form of any quadratic equation. This is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form of any quadratic equation. Even you can also create any quadratic equation if you know the value of a, b, and c. Now, what is a, b, and c? A is the coefficient of x square. B is also the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. Again, I'm repeating, A is the coefficient of x square, B is the coefficient of x, and C is a constant term. So if you have these values, even you can create any quadratic equation. Now, if I'll talk about what is the highest degree, what is the highest degree of any quadratic equation? It's 2. It's 2. And if it is having degree 2, that means it has 2 roots. So let's have some examples of the quadratic equation. As I told you, even you can create by knowing the value of a, b, c. So let me take an example of an quadratic equation. So I have taken an example, x square plus 5x plus 6. So let us identify what is the value of a. A is the coefficient of x square, and we don't have any coefficient, so let us consider to be 1. B is 5. C is 6. So here we have the quadratic equation. Let's take one more example. 2x square plus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. Here A is equals to 2, B equals to 5, and C equals to minus 3. Now, the big question arises how to solve them. So in order to solve them, we usually have two formulas by which we can solve them. Our first method is using quadratic formula. In this video, I'm going to share about quadratic formula. In my next video, we will be talking about the second method, that is middle term splitting method. So please be ready to watch my next video. So quadratic formula we are starting with. So we have a simple quadratic formula with us, so that I'm going to write it. It's the formula by which you can find the value of x, the two roots of the quadratic equation. As I told you, it has a highest degree of 2. So the two roots we can find with the help of this formula. So x is equals to, again, I'm going to write the quadratic equation. So x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now this is my quadratic formula. Now you must be wondering where to use it. Yes, takes the same example that I've taken earlier. So I'm going to apply quadratic formula in this equation. So identify A, B, C. A would be 1, B would be 5, and C would be 6. Just insert all the values in the above quadratic equation. So I'm going to put the value. X is equals to minus B, that is minus 5, plus minus under root. What is my B? Again, it's 5 squared minus 4. A is 1 and C is 6 over 2A. A is 1 again. So minus 5 plus minus 5 5s are 25 and 4 6 are 24 over 2. So x value would be minus 5 plus minus under root 1. Now under root 1 is same as 1. So x value is minus 5 plus minus 1 over 2. All right. So what is their roots? X will be minus 5 plus 1 time 1 plus we can take. And for the other x, we can take minus 5 minus 1 over 2. So the first root is minus 4 over 2. That is minus 2. And the second is minus 6 over 2. That is minus 3. So the two roots of this quadratic equations minus 2 and minus 3 as the values of x. So I'm going to give you another example and you have to solve it on your own. And for watching my next video, which I will be releasing it very soon, where I will be discussing about middle term splitting method. Okay, so I'm giving you a homework. Kindly do them and write in the comment section if you like this video. So my next example that I'm going to share it that you have to do is 2x square. This is your homework actually. So I'm going to write it as a homework. 2x square plus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. Solve it and let me know the answers in the comment section. Thank you.